Introducing NCAMEO Inc., the innovative platform that empowers you to create and personalize your own Kanban view control effortlessly, without the need for coding. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple 7 easy steps of harnessing the power of NCAMEO to visualize your events with ease and effectiveness. Let's begin! To get started, establish the API for your Kanban view. Select the Kanban option as your preferred view type. Tailor the UI according to your requirements. Explore a variety of UI options and select the list format to display your events. With a click on the display feature, specify the image, title, and subtitle you wish to showcase. Utilize the drop-down menu to choose the desired title and subtitle, and save your preferences. Click on the Action option to determine the type of action associated with your events. Once you've made your selection, save it for future use. Leverage the Kanban view control for mapping and configuring status settings. Once you've customized your Kanban view control to your satisfaction, save your creation. Discover the power of personalization with NCAMEO Incorporated. As demonstrated, in just 7 simple steps, you can have complete command over visualizing your Kanban view. NCAMEO's user-friendly interface and robust capabilities make it a seamless process to create tailor-made solutions without writing a single line of code. Why wait? Experience it today. Take the plunge and sign up for our software now. Start streamlining your workflow with the user-friendly Kanban view feature offered by NCAMEO. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. We hope you found it informative and useful. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials on maximizing the potential of NCAMEO's no-code platform.